Good morning. Yeah, this is the fourth video. In third video of polynomials, the first correct question is this. Please check that first correct question. I think it was 9x square. No, 7x square is correct. And you can check all your answers of last video, video 3. Okay, first question 2 answers, zeros, 2 zeros, second answer, third answer, fourth, fifth. So last video you got 5 practice questions. So in last video we completed 2 types. First type, that was plus plus. Second type, that was minus plus. So we completed this, how to find zeros. Okay, so today we complete the other 2 types. Now I start the third type. Okay, find the zeros of yes. See, what is the third type? After plus plus, minus plus, now plus minus. So, because it's a quadratic polynomial, second degree, so it has 2 zeros. So how we find out it's 2 zeros when plus minus comes? Please see the method. After this, one more type is there, fourth type, that is minus minus. Finished. So please see the method. First we take is equal to 0. After that we multiply always first and last number. 12 5s are 60. See, what is the last sign here? Minus. So always the sign is important. You write the sign first. So if your plus is there last, you write plus. If last is minus, you write minus. Minus 12 5s are minus 60. So this minus shows that you should subtract. What this minus shows? You should subtract to get the center number. What is the center number we have to get? 4. If your plus comes, we add to get 4, center number. If minus comes, we subtract. 2 30s, 2 1s are 2 5s are, 3 5s are, 5 1s are, all factors. Yes, now you decide 2 numbers. If you subtract them, you should get 4. Say I am taking different combinations. 2 2s are 4, 3 5s are 15, 1s are 15. 15 minus 4 what? 11. I am not getting 4. So don't take this. You change the idea. You change this idea. You take 2 5s are 10. See? 2 5s are 10 and 3 2s are 6. 2 5s are 10 and 3 2s are 6. So 10 minus 6, 4. So center is plus, no? So big plus, small minus. So whenever here minus comes, you have to take 1 plus 1 minus. Remember, if here plus comes, both plus, both minus. We completed that first and second time. When here plus is there, we take both minus because center is minus. If center is plus, we take both plus. That was first and second. What is the third type? When here minus comes, what we do? One we take plus, one we take minus. Center is plus, so big number plus, small number minus, like this. So now please see, 5x square plus 10x minus 6x minus 12, 5x common, so x plus 2, because 5 2s are 10, here 6 common, minus minus plus 6 2s are 12, this and this one factor, 5x minus 6 second factor, okay, we separate this is 0, this is 0, so x is equal to minus 2, here x is equal to 6 by 5. Finished. So we got the answers. Clear? Now I am doing the last type. Fourth type. Find the zeros of. So you just compare them. Yes. See, that was plus minus, third type. Minus minus, fourth type. This is the last type. So first we take what? This is equal to 0. Okay. 36 are 180 minus. The sign is important to write. Don't forget. Minus 36 are minus 180. This minus shows that you should subtract. Subtract to get 11. We have to get 11. 2 90s. 2 4s are 2 5s are. 3 15s are. 3 5s are. Even 5 ones are 5. Now I should decide two numbers. If I subtract them, what I should get? 11. Yes, see. I am taking different combinations. 2 to the 4, 5s are 20. Directly I am taking the correct one. 2 to the 4, 4 5s are 20. 3 3s are 9 1s are 9. 20 minus 9, 11. I got 11. From that we decide two numbers. So I have taken 2 to the 4 5s are 20. 1s are 20. 3 3s are 9. 20 minus 9, 11. Okay. Center is minus. Big minus. Small plus. If suppose center is plus, big plus, small minus. Understood? If center is minus, big minus, small plus. Because minus 20 plus 9 minus 11. Minus 20 plus 9 minus 30. Then you know the system. Taking common. What is common here? 2. Because 2 divides both. 2x common. 2 3s are 6. X left. 2 10s are 20. See, 2 10s are 20. X is common. Finished. 3 common. 3 3s are 9. 3 10s are 30. So this and this one factor. 2x plus 3. This is 0. This is 0. So 3x is equal to 10. 2x is equal to minus 3. 10 by 3. 3 by 2, finished. We got the zero space. So what zeros are? 10 by 3 and 3 by 2. So see all the 4 types completed. Clear? Yes. I am just doing one more question. Please see. Find the zeros. One more question, please. This is the question, suppose. So it's fourth time, right? So first what we do, we take this is equal to 0 always. 241s are. 241s are minus 240. You write the sign immediately. Minus means we should subtract to get what? Center number. What is center number? Nothing. Nothing is there. It means 1 is there. 1. 2 120s, 2 60s, 2 30s, 2 15s are, 3 5s are, 5 1s are. Finished? Now if I subtract, what I should get? 1. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 3 5s are 15, 1s are 15. 16 minus 15, 1. 16 minus 15, 1. But center is minus. So I should take big number minus small number plus. Correct? Minus 16 plus 15 minus 1. Clear? So you should do practice that how to take two numbers. If we subtract them, we get center number. Okay. Minus 16x plus 15x minus 240. So x common. X minus 16. 15 common here. 15 ones are 15. 15 6 are. See, these two are same. Write 1. This is second. Separate them. This is 0. This is 0. X is plus 16. X is minus 15. we got the zeros. It's clear? So this is a method to find out the zeros. Then see, now you got the idea that how to find zeros of any quadratic polynomial. Yes, see, what is a new thing now? What is there in second exercise of this chapter, chapter 2? Take one note, please, important note. Relationship between the zeros and the coefficients of a quadratic polynomial. Ax square plus bx plus c. It's okay? What is the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients? See what coefficients are here, you know? A, B, C, these are called coefficients, please. Coefficients are just what, you know? ABC. Just those numbers. Then what is the relationship between these coefficients and zeros? Okay, so we have just two formulas. Sum of zeros, this is the relationship. Sum of zeros is equal to minus b by a. This is the relationship between zeros and coefficients. What is sum of the zeros? Minus b by a. What is product of the zeros? You know, product of zeros, c by a. You can take another note. If alpha, this is a note. You know, for any quadratic polynomial, we get two answers. Okay, we always get two answers. So suppose minus 9. Yeah, its answers I get this. You know that these two are zeros of this. Okay. So one we name alpha, one we name beta. What alpha beta are? Just names. One zero is named as alpha, second zero is named as beta. If alpha beta are the zeros of this, then we have alpha plus beta is minus b by a, alpha beta is c by a. Same thing it is. See, sum is what? Alpha plus beta, and product is what? Alpha beta. So both are same thing only. If alpha beta are the zeros, if we name this as alpha, this as beta, then we have two formulas. This is the relationship between what? Zeros and coefficients. Clear? So you can take this note also. Now what is there? Which type questions we have now in new exercise? Please see. Now we start questions. This is very important question. Find the zeros of this and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Yes, this is very important question. So which we have in second exercise. So please say. We are asking what? Find the zeros of this and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Okay, so how we do this question? First we find zeros. See, first we are finding zeros. 15 fours are 60. Okay, this is plus plus. Yes. 15 fours are plus 60. Here plus sign is there, so we write plus. Clear? Now we factorize this. 2 30s, 2 15s, 3 5s are 5 ones are. You know that when here plus is there, what we do? We add to get center number. We add when here plus is there. So you know how to find zeros. First thing, we have completed 4 types, know that. Now I am taking 2 2s are 4, 3 5s are 15, 1s are 15, 4 and 15, 19, but here 16 is there, don't take this. Now I am changing the idea, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 10 and 6, 16 I got. 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 10 plus 6, 16, both plus. So plus 10x plus 6x plus 15. Here common, what is common these two? 2x. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. These two 3 common, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. These two are same, you write 1. This is second. Yes, this is 0. Again this is 0. So 2x is minus 5 by 2. 2x is minus 3 by 2. So I got the zeros. What zeros are? Minus 5 by 2, minus 3 by 2. Clear? So after getting the zeros, now the question is what? Find the zeros, we got it. Now verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. So what we do, you know, after this, now we find out sum of zeros. Sum of these two. Yes. This plus this. We are finding the sum. This plus this. Minus 5 by 2 plus into minus 3 by 2. 2 is LCM, minus 5 minus 3, 8 by 2, 4. So I got sum. Then you find product. After finding sum, product of zeros. So product of zeros means minus 5 by 2 into minus, product means multiplication, right? This into this, minus minus plus 5 3 is 15 by 4. So I got sum, product. Now we do the verification. Yes. So take the polynomial. This is polynomial. Now we verify it. How we verify it, you know? You first write the values A, B, C. What is A? 4. What is B? 16. What is C? 15. You write the values A, B, C. These are called coefficients. So sum of zeros, what is the formula we know? Minus B by A. We know the formula. Sum of zeros is B by A. Minus B by A. So what is B here? 16. What is A here? 4. 4 cut. I got sum is minus 4. Is this correct? Sum is minus 4. Minus 4 is correct. It's verified. Verification. What is the formula for product? C by A. What is C here? 15. What is A here? 4. Now check, please answer. Product is 15 by 4 is correct. So hence verified. So this way we do it. We find sum, product, verification, check the answers. Okay. So see, I am doing one more question. Yes. One more question, please. How we do this sum? Yes. So what you have to do first? First find zeros. 2x square minus x minus 15 is equal to 0. 15 2s are 30. So 2 ones are 2 fives are 3 fives are 5 ones are, because you know when your minus is there you should subtract. This is the fourth type. I have to get center what? 1. 2 threes are 6, 5 ones are 5, 6 minus 5 1. This is minus, this is plus. Minus 6 plus 5 minus 1. Uh, 2x common, x minus 3, 5 common, x minus 3, x minus 3, 2x plus 5. Yes, this is 0, this is 0. So x is 3, x is minus 5, 2x is minus 5. Finished. I got the zeros. See what zeros are? Minus 5 by 2, 3. We got? After getting the zeros, what we do? Now we first find sum of zeros. We find sum of zeros. This plus this. This plus this, okay? Minus 5 by 2 plus 3 by 1 into 2 into 2. Because here 2 is there, so into 2 into 2, so 2 is LCM. 3 2s are 6. Because we make the denominators equal, here 2 is there, so you take into 2 into 2. 2 to LCM, minus 5 plus 6, 1 by 2. This is sum. Then what is product? Product of zeros, this into this. Product of zeros, minus 5 by 2 into 3. So 5 3s are 15 by 2. The product completed. Now what we do? Verification. So only 3 steps. Verification. Yes, 2x square minus x minus 15. What ABC are? A is 2. See? A is 2, B is minus 1, C is minus 15. A, B, C. After that, sum of zeros, what is the formula? Minus B by A. So what is B by A? B is minus 1, A is 2. Minus minus plus 1 by 2. Please check. Sum is 1 by 2. Is correct. What is product? Product is C by A. What is C here? Minus 15 by 2. Please check. Is correct. Verified. It's okay. Now we start exercise 2.2. So what is there in second exercise? Second exercise, the heading is this: find the zeros and verify. The heading is this only: find the zeros of the following and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Yes, see the textbook questions. Yeah, textbook questions. The first, x square minus 2x minus 8. It's easy, you can do it. Second, 4x square minus 4x plus 1. These two you can do it, homework questions. So I am doing the third bit. Find the zeros and verify the relationship. See, this is the third question. Okay. So what we do for this question, these two homework. So first you write in order, you know. This third I am doing here. 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. First thing, see, it's not in order. After x square, x should be there. You write the in order first. 6x square, we write this as 6x square, after that 7x and 3, like this, is equal to 0. Now factors, finding zeros. 3 6 are 18, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are, this is the fourth type. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So I have to get center number 7. If I subtract, 2 1s are 2, 3 3s are 9. See, 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. Center is minus, so bigger number minus small number plus. Minus 9 plus 2 minus 7. So you know how to find zeros. Minus 9x plus 2x minus 3. 3x common here. 3 2s are, 3 3s are. Here 1 is common. Nothing common means 1 is common. These two same, we write one factor. This is second factor. Separate them. 2x minus 3 is 0. 3x plus 1 is 0. So 2x is 3. 3 by 2. 3x is minus 1. Minus 1 by 3. Okay. Then after that, after getting the zeros, what we do? We find sum of zeros. What sum of zeros? This plus this. Yes. So sum of zeros. 3 by 2 plus into minus, minus 1 by 3. We make the denominators equal. We make them equal. So what I am doing? Into 3 into 3. Into 2 into 2. So it is 9 by 6, 2 by 6, 7 by 6. I got sum. What is product? Product is this into this. Yes. So 3 3 cut. This is a product. Now verification. Verification. Yeah, that is a question. No? 6x square minus 7x minus 3. Write in order. What ABC here? A is 6, B is 7, C is 3. A, B, C. What is sum of zeros? Minus B by A. What is B? Minus 7 by 6. Minus minus plus 7 by 6. Check the answer. 7 by 6, 7 by 6, correct? What is product? C by A. What is C here? Minus 3. What is A here? Finished. Check. So it's verified. Okay. So you got the idea how to find the zeros and verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients. So I am giving some questions for practice. Yes. These questions for practice. Practice questions. Find the zeros and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Yes. This is one question. This is second question. Find the zeros and verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficients. Third question. Yes, 3 questions for practice. So we stop today. Next class we continue. Thank you.